have shared the full recipe with measurements and ingredients on my website, paleolocupcake.com. Hi guys, welcome to Paleo Low Carb Kate. Today we're going to be making some tender, flavorful, well-seasoned yet crunchy chicken hearts. Eating organ meat is a good way to get in your protein intake. For those who've never eaten chicken hearts, don't be intimidated. They actually taste and even smell like chicken, only crunchy and slightly musky. Before we start, please give this video a thumbs up. It'll go a long way. Also, if you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe, as well as click on the notification button below so you get notified each time I post a new video. Okay guys, let's get to it. I also need to mention that this recipe is keto, paleo and low carb. You always want to start with clean chicken heart. I had already cleaned mine under running water using a colander.